Welcome once again to Home Workouts by Coach Remmy. Today we are going to work the quadriceps and the calves. Alright, it will be mainly a lot of challenge for a good workout for the quadriceps. If you want to build stronger legs, this is the perfect workout. If it's your first time on this channel and you're a beginner, you can also still do this workout and then follow up with the next number, or go and start at the beginning. Then you know you have a program you can follow for the whole month. The way we are going to do this workout: 40 seconds on, we rest 20 seconds. Do me a favor, if it's your first time on this channel, hit the subscribe and the bell notification. More workouts are coming, more workout programs that will help you achieve your fitness goal or your fitness target. Let's get right into our workout. Now, stand upright hold. We will do 20 seconds on one side, just kicking front and back. Let's do this for 10 seconds, and then we do across. Find the balance, use your arms. So in and out. Let's go on the other side. Front, back, 10 seconds. Okay. In and out. Okay. Let's put the knees together, the legs together, and then do small circles. We are immediately going to start with our workout. Spread your legs, shoulder width apart, and then sit back. 40 seconds. Let's go. As I go down, I'm lifting a little bit my arms to the front. This helps to balance the weight. And as I squat down, the knees go in the same direction as my toes. I'm exhaling, going down, inhaling, coming up. Wonderful. Next one. You squat. You come up, knee to elbow, you squat, come up, knee to elbow, but then you put your leg back where it was, shoulder width apart, toes slightly facing outward. Next one, we're going to do the duck walk. Go down. Now you do walk forward, backward. It's a challenging exercise for the hip flexors and the thighs. If you don't have a lot of space, you can just do 2 steps on one side. Alright, back and forth. Wonderful. Yes. Keep the leg loose. Next one, we're going to alternate lunges. Big step forward. And then we flex both knees at the same time. If you need help, you can put your hands on the leg that is forward. Beautiful. Now we're going to relieve the thighs. We're going to add the calves. So legs hip width apart, and now we're going to be coming, stand on the tip of our toes. Hold it up there for 1 second. Now, if you have the wall next to you, stand on one leg, use 2 or 3 fingers for the balance. We're going to do 20 seconds on one side, and then we switch, we go on the other side. Alright? Let's go. We're switching in 5 seconds. Okay, switch. And that's by turning 180 degrees. Wonderful. We're going again to work the quadriceps. Now we do squat, we come up, we touch the toes, squat, touch the toes. Let's go. Wonderful. We're almost there, guys. Next exercise, we squat down, we pulse it, 1, 2, and then up. If you're explosive, you can do 1, 2, and then jump squat. You stand, 1, 2, jump squat. If you want, you can go immediately back into the squat. Legs are burning. Let's go back to calves. go. My heart is pumping. The bed shows is also. This means we are challenging our cardiovascular, our endurance, muscular endurance, and also the heart endurance to sustain high intensity. Let's finish with regular squats, just slowly in 1-2 motion, like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. Thighs are burning, calves are burning. That means the workout is good. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't make you grow. That's what they say. Final 10 seconds. Wonderful. Clap for yourselves. Thank you guys for choosing to spend your time with me. Thank you. Some of you have been active and sending love through the comments. That's what motivates me. And those who have been sharing these workouts with friends, thank you. And as I said, in February, a new workout program for 12 weeks, it's coming up, and together we will achieve something great. There is an African proverb that says, if you want to go fast, go alone, but if you want to go far, go in a group. What does this proverb mean? Times you feel low, other people who are with you on this journey will motivate you. Thank you, Coach Remmy here, inspiring you, bringing you fun and challenging workouts you can do from the comfort of your home. See you in the next workout.